In this video, we are going to be using D functions. So here, as you can see, that the class average that we want is more than 85. So here we will go in formulas under function library, fx insert function. We say for the drop down we click on database and we use the D function dmin and you click OK. So here we select B3 to I20. The field that we are looking for is exam 2, since that's the minimum that we are looking for. So we say G3, and the criteria is that the class average should be greater than 85. So we select I21 to I22. And after you're done with that, you can click OK and you get the answer as 91. Similarly, for students with one absence, you do the same. You go on fx, dmin, OK. Database will be B3 to I20. Field will be again G3. And criteria this time will be H21 to H22. Click OK. And you have the answer as 80.5. So as you can see that the minimum here is 80.5 if you check for all which is with one absence. So the minimum is 80.5 here. Next, we want to find the number of assignments, so we can use the count functions here. So to find the number of assignments, we write is equal to count, and we can select these values here from C4 to G4, close brackets, enter. So you see that the total number of assignments are 5, which are 3 assignments and 2 exams. Next is number of students. So since count is used only for numerical values and we want to find the number of students which is in not in numerical, it's in text. So if this data was not there and we had to find only for the text and we wanted to count for it, we would have to use is equal to count A, open brackets, and then you can select from B4 to B20, close the brackets and click enter. So the total number of students is 17. Now to find the number of students with perfect attendance, so we have the attendance here and we have blanks here. So to count the blanks, we will get the perfect attendance. So we write is equal to count blanks, and then we can select from H4 to H20, close brackets, click enter. So the number of students with a perfect attendance is 9. Next is number of students with A. So this is an if statement, so we count using an if. So we say is equal to count if. So range here will be I4 to I20. And your criteria will be that it's greater than 90. And close the brackets, click enter. So the number of students with an A is 2. For the number of students with a B, so you write count if again, and I4 to I20, comma, we write greater than 85. But for B plus, it will be 90 to 85. But since COUNTIF takes only one criteria at a time, you cannot specify it, so it will calculate everything above 95. So what we can do is we can subtract it from the number of students who got an A. So we can subtract 6 minus 2. So the number of students with a B plus is 4. And similarly you do for students with B. So you do count if I4 to I20, comma, with an 80 or higher, close the brackets, click enter. It's 15, and you write is equal to 15 minus 6. So the number of students with a B are 9 students.